Hello guys, in today's video I want to give you a full review about 3 Days Business Breakthrough Challenge by Jonathan Montoya. My name is Mihaela Cecu and with my channel I help people to make money online. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, so what is 3 Days Business Breakthrough Challenge? 3 Days Business Breakthrough Challenge is a 3 days training special for beginners for the simple fact that Jonathan is explaining step by step, click by click, how you can set up your business in just 3 days. And also, this training is perfect for those who already have some sort of experience in affiliate marketing, but they didn't see any great results. And that's because Jonathan Montoya is introducing us in the stacking ecosystem, where with this stacking ecosystem, you can literally choose one offer as your main offer, and also you can have different products that you can promote along with your main offer, which I believe is very powerful, since you can get commissions from many directions in this way. Right, so let's get into it. Day number 1 in 3 Days Business Breakthrough Challenge is an introduction in how affiliate marketing really works, how you can choose your core offer, and what you actually need to do to have success in affiliate marketing. He also gives some support in helping you to get started quickly. And he's gonna give you a workbook that you can download and check that you done everything correctly. He's also gonna invite you in his private Facebook group where people are connected to each other. They are sharing their results, they are sharing their struggles, and they found support into community. He also gonna give you access to ClickFunnels and 14 days trial. In day number 2 is all about the technical part and how to set up this stacking ecosystem. And in this training, he's gonna show you step by step, click by click, everything that needs to be done on the technical part, which personally I believe it's very powerful, since people with no experience can find it very difficult and probably overwhelming sometimes, where they don't have any technical skills and they think that they cannot do it, because many newbies in affiliate marketing don't know how to set up a funnel, how to connect their funnel to their autoresponder, how to create the emails, and this training is covering all that part. So you're gonna find a lot of valuable information in day number 2. He also gonna give you the workbook support. As a bonus, you can actually get his funnel, the funnel that he's using. Obviously, you need to customize it and make it on your own. And also, he's gonna give you as a bonus the 7 steps to become a super affiliate ebook. This ebook, it's basically a tool where you can promote different products. And he also gonna give you a free ebook checklist so that you can check yourself to see if you've done everything correctly. The 6th bonus is gonna be a copy of the bridge page script. So this is gonna help you to make your short video to put into your bridge page, and this is gonna help you with your conversions. He also gonna give you his email autoresponder. So he's gonna give you another homework to do in the private Facebook group, and also he's gonna show you some websites where you can choose some products and to get started ASAP, basically. In day number 3 is all about traffic and how to bring traffic to your stacking ecosystem. He's using only free traffic as an example here, and he's giving you strategies how to bring traffic to your stacking ecosystem. He speaks about mainly TikTok and YouTube. He's explaining how to drive this traffic to your stacking ecosystem. As a bonus, he's giving his white label funnel and ebook. You just need to customize it and make it on your own. And also, he's giving the chance to become an affiliate of him with a payout of 50% commission. The best part of this is that he doesn't have restrictions in any country, so you can literally apply it from wherever country you are, because his business is worldwide. Okay, now I want to discuss about the payments. This course is only $7, and he's giving a one-time offer training from super affiliates in TikTok and YouTube. So it's a more detailed training than what you're gonna find in the third day. You're also gonna see some testimonials from people who've been through this training already, and also some results. If you choose to become an affiliate with him, you're gonna have access to assets, which means graphic, emails, pictures, videos for YouTube ads, basically, because he wants to support his affiliates as better as much as possible. And now I would like to take you in the 3 days business breakthrough Facebook group so that I can show you. I want to show you what is happening in this group. So as you can see, it has over 70,000 people in the group right now. And those people are posting their journey, questions, and I want to show you some results. Where should I go? Here. So if I go to commissions, you're gonna see that these people are actually making money with this program. For example, this person just got $447. This person $3.50. This is me with my first commission. This person has some commissions also. This person had another commission. So people in his program are actually making money with this training. And that's because he's teaching the right things. He's teaching step by step, and this is very helpful. Okay, so this was my review about the 3 days business breakthrough challenge by Jonathan Montoya. I will also put my link down in the description. So if you want to get started, you can access it right away. I also gonna put a link to my messenger. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I would like to mention my personal experience with this program, because I've been in different other programs, and with none of them I had any success. But with as soon as I started the 3 days business breakthrough challenge, I understand exactly how affiliate marketing works, and I cannot be more grateful that I found him. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next videos. See you guys soon.